is the only time I want my friends to fall and like break their legs or arms and stuff.
I hurt so bad.
Nice! Dude, Benton is trying to kill himself. Low key, I'm gonna let him do it. Come on, Benton! 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 What is up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Dark Park over here at Darkside Boardshop in Vermont. I had no idea it was in Vermont. I didn't know we were gonna be able to come rip this place. So when we saw it, we're like, dude, we have to come make a video here. This is an iconic spot. This came on my radar about 5 years ago and I was like, dude, I would die to come ride in Dark Park. And here we are, doing it. Just another dream knocked off the list. Dude, they got some heavy rails, like a down, a flat tube, A-frame. That's gotta be like a 100-foot rail right there. I'm super excited. I think they have lights too. We're here a little in the dark, but it's Dark Park, so we're at the Dark Park in the dark. It's not a big deal. Hey, you guys know how much I love repping DC. Alright, so we've gotten a couple hits. This place is sick. You can tell that these features are like dug into the ground, and then they got a lot of snow that either they weren't expecting or they don't have a park crew to dig it out. So a lot of the rails, like the down, flat down, are just so buried. The beautiful thing and the hard thing about a backyard park is it's sloppy. It's not as pristine as a ski resort, so it makes the features harder, but that means when you get a hard trick, it makes it feel that much better. I didn't get on film, but the lights just kicked on. There's some lights down there. I don't know if we're gonna kick those ones on, but the ones up here kicked on. They killed it with the lighting. Dude, it's so bright now. Let's go.
This is so sick.
I'm having fun. I got a couple tricks on this one. The DC rail, I'm literally rocking DC right now. So, hyped on that. There's an A-frame down there we wanna hit. If they're not gonna turn these bigger lights on down there, we need to hit these before the sun is totally gone. And then we can't see those ones on there, and we come back and hit the ones that are in the light. All right, that makes sense? You guys good? You having fun? Smash like if you're having fun. All right, here comes Vinny. Yeah! Dude, Benton is trying to kill himself. Low key, I'm gonna let him do it, but that's nuts.
Put it in this, like, I hurt so bad. I'll show you guys.
Alright guys, we're having the time of our lives. Benton flipped off this crazy rock. Everyone's taking kind of a slam. But overall, we're having a good time. We're just moving like feature to feature, kind of testing them all. We're probably gonna end the night with this like 100-foot, it's probably not 100, probably like 50 feet.
30.
30. Very long down rail. We'll see who can board slide it first. Maybe a competition or something. But overall, we're just hitting feature to feature, having the best time. I don't know, I'm having fun. Hope you guys are having fun. We're so tired from ripping Killington all day. If you missed the Killington video, check it out there. We went heavy in their Peace Park, which was like the most intense park of all time. Super fun. None of my slams hurt till that one. This ground's not soft. But it's not icy. There is no ice on the East Coast. I have no idea what you guys are talking about. Have you found any ice?
Only in my brain and in your heart.
I've been pretty rude to Benton this trip, but he needs a tough love. You look like you're tired or something.
I just want to cuddle up and go to sleep.
And I keep making him backflip. Backflip, monkey, backflip. Alright guys, so here's the board slide challenge. We got this rail. It just keeps going up and up and up. It didn't look sticky. Benton's claiming it's sticky. So he's rubbing it with ice, not wax. But he's icing it for us. What a nice guy. Alright, so we're doing this challenge feature just when my video is premiering. If you didn't know, I premiere every single one of these videos. So if you subscribe to the channel at 4:45 Colorado time, almost every day, sometimes I gotta do it a little later because life happens. We get on the video together and we talk in the chat and I'm just like, what up guys? It's a great way to ask me questions about snowboarding, about where we're snowboarding next, and stuff like that. So jump on a premiere and talk to me. I love talking to you guys. I'm gonna get one more hit and then I gotta do that. Guys, I forgot to do today's sticker shout out. So we're doing it now at the house. We got Chase Brown with the snowboard on the sticker on the snowboard. Looking so sick, man. We also got Erica Brown with the oil sticker on the helmet, also looking sick. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers, supporting the dream. Guys, any of the Evolution merch, the hats, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, whole spiel, it supports the dream. It allows me to go to Vermont, go to Darkside Boardshop, do the week on the East. That trip was insane. It's already over, but we have a bunch of content still coming out. But I think we have like 4 more videos from the East Coast coming out. So be ready for more sick East Coast content, as well as I'm gonna start snowboarding back in Colorado. Dude, the daily videos don't stop. We're making more videos than we can actually post daily. So be ready for some sick content coming your way. And thanks for all the support, snagging the merch, guys.
Wow,
I'm so mad. That was 100% gonna be it, but then it got sticky. So it got sticky like right around here. So let's try and get it wet again. Every time we do these challenge rails or whatever, is the only time I want my friends to fall and like break their legs or arms and stuff. Other than that, it's only I just want them to fall, but yeah, I definitely want them to get hurt right now so I can win, you know? Vinny!
What?
You suck. Okay.
you know what? I know.
Oh, marbles. This isn't easy. So long rail. We've gotten close, but no one's gotten it yet, and we're all exhausted and tired, and we just all are rooting for someone else to get it. It's like we're all rooting for me to get it because I'm gonna get it, but I gotta film these guys. They'll wait. You ready, Benton? Come on, Benton! 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 Vinny! Vinny! Vinny!
I just want to go home. Oh! Thank God! We gotta go home! I'm so tired!
You know, in these moments, you're supposed to be happy for your friends, but I'm actually super salty. I really wanted to get that. I'm joking. But if I was gonna lose to anyone, it definitely better have not been Benton. So thank you, Vinny, for not letting Benton beat me at least. I'm so happy your shoulder's feeling better. Every day, he's getting closer and closer to being recovered from this. And that was gnarly. Vinny went for the backflip. Sometimes the backflip doesn't happen. But dude, good job. That was sick.
Dude, just happy to be landing tricks.
Being out here, having a good time
with the boys. Yeah.
This place is insane. It's completely free. You can ride this for free. They didn't even make us buy something, but because it's a local snowboard shop and because every local snowboard shop is in need, I'm definitely gonna go in and buy a t-shirt and just kind of say thank you for letting us come out here and rip and make this video and all that stuff. So Darkside Park, so sick. But we cannot leave without getting a shot of Greg. Greg filmed out here too. We all kind of filmed, but Greg's the man. So Greg, send it. Yeah, dude. Oh, the 180. Hit it again. Force slide it. Let's go. All right, let's go get that hoodie or a t-shirt or a long sleeve. Wait, no, I have hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. If you guys want to support the dream, snag any of the merch. I think I already said that. Anyways, I'm gonna go get a t-shirt. Guys, you won't believe this. They had a pin in there. So no joke, even though it's not a mountain, I got a pin for riding here. So everywhere I go snowboarding, I try and get a pin. So like at Killington, I got a pin, everything like that. So it's sick that I got one. If you didn't know, first off, that I have a map of the United States, all the ski resorts in the United States. My goal is to ride every single one of them. And even when we ride little backyard parks or like things like a skate park or whatever that's not a mountain, we still put it on the list. But check out the map of all the places in the United States that we have ridden and need to ride, because we're gonna ride every resort in the United States, but also ride things like this along the way. The journey is gonna be so insane. There's 470 ski resorts. So subscribe to see it, but also check out the map of all the ski resorts. And then once again, I grab a pin at each one that I go to. So if you want to start doing the same thing, or if you just like collecting pins or anything, I do have an Evolution pin. It's super sick. If you do snag it, it once again supports me and this mission. Because if every single, let's just say we had an average of $100 lift price throughout the resorts, it's going to cost $47,000 to ride every resort in the US. But we're going to do it. It's going to be sick. I'm so excited. And I'm so tired. So with all that, Team Buckhouse, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. And as always, thanks for shredding with us today. And as always, and with that, Team Buckhouse, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoying the week on the East. If you are, smash the like button. We got a 2.5 hour drive to Whiteface. We're staying literally like right next to the resort, which is gonna be nice, but we do still gotta drive 2.5 hours. So with that, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliff.
My brain feels like noodles.